Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix network discovery issues in Windows April 10, 2018 update. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Click Private. Make sure turn on Discovery and check, turn on automatic setup of network connected devices. Enable turn on file and printer sharing. Click Guest or Public. Enable turn on network discovery and file and printer sharing. Click All Networks. Enable turn on sharing so anyone with network access can read and write files in the public folders. Click Save Changes. Type Services in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Double-click DNS Client. Make sure Startup Type is Automatic. Double-click Function Discovery Provider Host. Change Startup Type is Automatic. Click Start Service. Apply, OK. Double-click, Function Discovery Resource Publication. Change Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start Service. Click Apply, OK. Double-click SSDP Discovery Service. Change Startup Type to Automatic. Service is already started, apply, OK. Double-click UPnP Device Host Service. Change Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start Service. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.